Hey guys, this video discusses how to remove the system board from a Dell XPS 15z. You'll need to remove the system board if you want to replace the keyboard or the LCD assembly. You'll need to remove several components prior. You'll need to remove the I/O bezel off the side of it where your ports are. You'll need to remove the bottom base assembly. I have a video on that. Remove the battery. Remove the memory module, remove the hard disk drive, remove the coin cell battery, remove the optical disk drive, remove the WLAN or wireless LAN mini card, remove the fan, and remove the thermal module. Now I have not removed the wireless module yet, and I'll do that now. You'll need to remove the two antennas, which just pop straight up if you got fingernails. Set those aside. Just unscrew that. That's going to spring up. And slide it out. You'll notice your LCD cable is right here. So notice how this stuff is routed. It all has to go in nicely or it won't go back together properly. So once you get that out, once you get the LAN card out, you'll need to undo the cables. So, starting with the battery, CMOS battery, let's pull that out and set it aside. You're going to have several cables over in this area. Now, these generally are like most laptop cables, they just come out. This one flips upwards. Pull that out like that. You have this one. Which you have to pull back the tape on. I believe this looks like a keyboard cable. You have that one. You have two more over here. Over by where the optical drive was, you have a couple cables. Need to remove those. There. This one is really a pain. You pull it with the little pull tab right there. Set that aside. And we already removed the LCD cable. That one just pulled straight up with the pull tab. So you're going to have a series of, you have 6 screws holding the system board in around the perimeter of it. Go ahead and remove those. Two near the front of the laptop, and then you have others all the way around. 3 in the back portion here. Okay. Just making sure I got them all. I'm missing 2. Actually, I guess the manual is incorrect. There's actually 4 because looks like in the previous step we actually removed them already. So easy enough. I guess once you get it disassembled to this point, there are 4 screws, as you can see. So that's interesting, but to unplug that there. Our touchpad looks like it is slightly damaged. This is a refurb and looks like it has had some work done. So, but anyway, that will allow you to remove the board. You'll notice that it's still not all the way out because we didn't remove all the cables. So you can flip that over, and this one pulls off. And this one comes out. Here is your system board. So that's it to remove the system board. To remove the LCD and keyboard, check out my other videos here.